as they prepare. Now, moving on, Kenya has made it official that it will not participate in the maritime case with Somalia currently going on at the International Court of Justice, citing procedural unfairness. As KTN's Ashley Mazuri reports, the government says the decision was made to protect the sovereignty and territorial integrity of the country.
After years of back and forth over where the maritime border between Kenya and Somalia is, Kenya seems to have had enough and pulled out of the case. In a letter to the ICJ registrar, Kenya reaffirmed that the case was not properly before the court. Kenya, in the letter, said the procedural unfairness had shown that justice would not be done. It added that Kenya had been dragged to the court by Somalia merely because of its resurgent expansionist agenda. On Monday, the International Court of Justice denied Kenya's request to address it before the start of the maritime border case with Somalia. Kenya had initially asked for the case to be delayed while it briefed a new legal team to take over. Kenya also cited the dangers of the COVID-19 pandemic, but ICJ ruled that the case should go ahead virtually. Kenya also objected the presence of a Somali judge on the ICJ panel, who had previously represented Somalia at the Third United Nations Conference on the Law of the Sea. The bone of contention between Kenya and Somalia is the nature of the line of the maritime boundary. Somalia asserts a center line from the Kenya-Somalia land boundary terminus, but Kenya insists on a straight line. Somalia's central line carves out a triangle of the maritime area currently occupied by Kenya. The dispute concerns more than 100,000 square kilometers in the Indian Ocean, which is believed to be rich in oil and gas. The current situation further dents the relationship between the two countries. It remains a wait and see whether the two countries will negotiate out of court. Ashley Mazuri, KTN News.
And back to the situation in Tanzania, the late Tanzanian President John Pombe Magufuli